Okay, let's put the box down. Guess you guys can see that. Pretty sure we're in focus this time. Okay, so our positive, our negative. Now what's gonna happen? Oh, get yourself nice connectors like this. See, it has a little O-ring in here. It has the high quality for the wires, and your diode's already there. Notice how the mark on this diode is on this side? That's the cathode, the negative end. So negative always goes to positive. So we're going to put this, I'm actually going to put some silicone on this sucker. Okay. And then it'll be totally weatherproof. And these are going to go in these little slits here. And we're going to let it do its thing overnight, set up. Really? Let's slide this one in first. For some reason. I used to have a friend, he'd say, nothing's easy. Why don't you want to go in? Yeah, finally. Okay, and this one, we'll just slide it from the side. Looks as if I have my glasses on. Okay. Wow, that one's really being a bitch. Alright. So there we are. Press it down. And I'm just going to let this hard set up. And then we're going to solder it right there and there. Okay, short video. What kind of bees give the most milk? Boobies. I'll tell you about that joke, the history of it, in the next video.